Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel, Cooking with Rinitis. On today's video, we're going to be making teriyaki chicken shrimp with fried rice and a side of homemade yum yum sauce. First, we're going to start off by cutting our chicken into small chunks. I kind of put these little white pieces to the side. Once your chicken is all cut up, we're going to place them in a bowl. First, I'm going to start off with a couple of dabs of olive oil. Then we're going to go in with our W sauce. I can't really pronounce it. Now we're going to start seasoning the chicken. A couple of shakes of this garlic powder. Some Cajun seasoning, and definitely can't leave out the Creole seasoning. A little bit of cilantro. Now we're going to mix all that seasoning around in the chicken, make sure it's good and marinated. Just a little bit more Creole. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and start seasoning our peeled shrimp. We're starting off with garlic powder. Cajun seasoning. Of course, you got to have your Creole. And finish it off with some Old Bay seasoning. Now we're going to mix the seasonings up in the shrimp. Alright, so I got my pan on a medium heat, and I'm going to add a couple of pieces of butter and start cooking my chicken. I normally start off by cooking my chicken first. You don't have to do it in that order, but that's what I usually do. And once the chicken is completely done, we're gonna set that to the side, and now we're gonna start cooking our shrimp as well on the medium heat. Alright, so we're gonna add our pieces of butter. Add our shrimp into the pan. Once the shrimp is done, we're gonna add that to the side. Now we're gonna start on our rice, and I have my pan on a medium-high heat. I'm gonna add in a couple pieces of butter to my pan. Okay, I have my 1 day old rice, just because the rice is better when it's already cooked and not cooking it on the same day. Alright, so we're gonna start mixing our rice around to get it a little crispy. We're gonna add in some sesame oil. Now we're gonna go in with some soy sauce. Make sure you mix that around really good. Alright, now we're going to add in some black pepper. I'm not going to add any salt because salt already has been cooked in with the rice. If your rice was not already cooked with salt in it, then I would add salt to it. Now I'm going to add in a couple of pieces of broccoli that I cooked on the side. A little bit more black pepper. And once your rice is done, now we're gonna set that to the side and start cooking the teriyaki sauce. Alright, so now I'm gonna add my butter to my medium heat pan. Now we're gonna go in with our soy sauce. And stir that pretty good. Go in with some swirls of honey. Mix that in pretty well. Couple of dashes of lemon juice, teaspoon of brown sugar, Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and add in our chicken and shrimp and mix that together. Now that that's done, we're gonna go ahead and start making our homemade yum yum sauce. Half a cup of mayo, one tablespoon of ketchup, about 1/8 of melted butter, go ahead and start stirring that in together. And now we're gonna go with some seasoning. Start with paprika, garlic powder, and a teaspoon of sugar. Once that is mixed together, now you have your homemade yum yum sauce. Alright, this is the final dish. Remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more home cooked videos.